What's going on, guys? It's myself, Ruff Fusion. I'm back with another unboxing video. So we're going to be unboxing the new LG XBoom Go Bluetooth speaker, but honestly I've got this one today because my last one had absolutely packed up, and it was, I can't remember what the last one that I've had, it was okay, I can't even remember the brand, but it had like blue buttons on it, whatever it is. So what was it that I had? You know what, I'm actually gonna forget it, because just have to say, I tried powering it up, charging it, but it wouldn't turn on. It kept making this like Bluetooth pair button. I tried everything and it just wouldn't pair up or anything, and it just switches off automatically, and I can't even put it to charge. I'll put it to charge overnight, the red light will not even disappear or go green if it's fully charged. So that's why I've got this one. So let's open this thing up then. Right, I kind of like the design of the box. It's absolutely nice indeed. And looking at this, it's actually quite heavy. So let's just get this one open. You know what, I actually hate the sound of polystyrene, to be fair. But in here, we got some leaflets. I don't even know what this is. Oh, crikey. Oh my goodness. You know what, that's absolutely great. It's the sound of the ice cream van that's just gone past where I was just now. Okay, so what's this here? Give your stylish new product the protection it deserves. So it's just like a manufacturer's guarantee. So what you do is you fill out your details here and then send it off. But obviously you've got to, or else you can probably do it online, register your products on there. But I do apologise for the noise. And let's see what this other paperwork is. Oh, what is this? Activate your free guarantee. Oh, brilliant. And it's even got a contact number on it as well, which is really cool stuff. Let's open this up. Activate your free guarantee. I actually knew it. Guarantee confirmation code. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You can go on the website and register the product, so you got full cover for everything, anything that goes wrong with it. And this is the quick user manual. And now we're just going to open this. You know what, I actually hate the sign of polystyrene. It's just, you know what, rubbing your hands against it is just absolutely horrible. I hate that noise. Let's just get this one out. I think it's, honestly, it's just a speaker itself. My god, it's quite heavy. Right, okay, let's just take this one out. Right, I have to fight with it. Right, so these are the bass bin cones here. And there's one on this side. I can imagine it's so powerful. So we've got the power button, the Bluetooth button, the volume, up and down, your play button, and the microphone as well, and enhanced bass, which is brilliant. And how do we get to the port? Ah, my nails! No way, no way. Right, I'm actually going to break my nails trying to get this thing open. But looks like I'm going to have to get my key out then. No, this is not good. Not really working at all. Right, I think we've got that open now. I've had to use my keys for it. So in here it uses a USB Type-C. We've got an aux in, and we've got a reset button there, which requires a needle or a drawing pin. And we've got a little slot hook for rigging your strap onto it. So here there's a serial number. This is the model number, your voltage and the wattage. So let's see how this thing powers up then. Right, okay. So as you can see, it's on low, well, it's got a red light on it, so when it comes on, it's low battery. But yeah, what more can I say about it? Let's just see what's in here. And other than that, this is the actual lead for it, so this can plug into any of the charger plug. I don't know why a lot of people actually call this a charger. It's not a charger, it's a lead. I don't even know what's underneath this one, but I got a feeling it's just an empty, more emptiness underneath. No, this thing doesn't want to come out. Right. Okay, I think we got it out already. Aha! Just an empty, that's about it. Right, I just have to say, that's my unboxing done for now, and I'll see you all in a next video. Peace.